My name is Santino Decarolis, and I'm going for a bachelor's in renewable energy. Coming into Morrisville, I didn't know exactly which space I wanted to go into for renewable energy. After actually installing panels and dealing with, all that equipment, I've kind of been leaning towards solar and battery management, and I think that's what I'm going to start to pursue heading out of college as well. The Liberty Scholarship really helped me achieve my goals academically and financially. It really helped me focus on my academic goals without worrying too much about my financial responsibilities for paying for college. Partnerships with industries like Liberty Renewable, giving out scholarships to students like me is extremely helpful, especially when financially it can be a little rough handling a full-time job and full-time school, and having them actually support me is extremely beneficial.